Hello, this is Andrea from Austria. Great that you're here. Today I'll show you how you can crochet starting chains. You start with a slip knot. I'll show you how I do it. I'll put the yarn down like this, form a loop and pick up the long end through the loop. Of course, you can make the slip knot by holding the yarn. In both ways, you now put your crochet hook into the loop and tighten the yarn. I hold the yarn that way. And now we start making our first chain. Yarn over from back to front. Pull the yarn through the loop of the hook. That was your first chain. Once again, yarn over from back to front. Pull the yarn through the loop of the hook. So you have another chain. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. This way you can make so many chains as you need. I hope this video helped. Feel free to like and subscribe. I love you, Andrea.